we are asked if the two-digit integer n is less than 40. Okay, so I have n, and it says that it's 2 digits. I'm going to write AB. I'm going to put a line on top just to indicate that it's not multiplication, but rather 2 digits. Okay. Okay, is this less than 40? The statement 1 says the unit digit of n is 6 more than the 10th digit of n. Okay, so the unit digit of n, b is a plus 6. But wait, before you say, it doesn't say anything, there are too many options. Let's just try some numbers. What if a is 1? We would have 17. If a is 2, we would have 28. And if a is 39. Now, a cannot be 4 because then b would be 10 and it's not going to be a digit anymore. So we stop at 39, and all the values are less than 40. Okay, so less than 40, sufficient. Statement number 2 says n is 4 less than 4 times the unit's digit. So let's write it here. N is 4 less than 4 times the unit's digit, which is b. Now the fastest way to solve this problem is to say, well, b, since it's a digit, it can only go up to 9, right? The maximum value of b is 9. So even if it took that value, 4 times 9 would be 36, and minus 4 would be 32. So this would be the theoretical max value of n, and it's still going to be less than 40. So you can stop there and say, okay, sufficient. But what if we want to do it algebraically? Okay, n is AB. Now I can write AB as 10 times a plus b, because like 23, it's 10 times 2 plus 3. Okay, I can say 10a plus b is 4b minus 4. So 10a plus 4 equals 3b. And I can try to find what values of a and b make this correct. So 10 times a is always going to end in 0. Plus 4, it's always going to end in 4. So 3 times a digit is going to end in 4. That could be, it could only be 8, right? There's no other digit. Now if b is 8, I can back solve to find a, and this would be 24 minus 4, that would be 20, and a would be 2. So a would be 2 and b would be 8, and n would be 28, which is less than 40. But since it's only one value, you can answer yes or no anyhow. In this case, we are answering yes. Sufficient. So both statements alone are sufficient, that is letter D.